Papa TV. Once upon a time, in the vast golden savanna, lived a big, brave lion named Leo. Leo had a soft golden yellow coat and a mane as fluffy as a cloud, but there was something about him that you wouldn't expect. You see, Leo had never ever learned how to swim. Every day, Leo watched the other animals splash around in the cool river. Hippos floated like giant rocks, crocodiles glided smoothly through the water, and even little monkeys swung from the trees into the river with big cannonball splashes. But well, Leo stayed dry on the riverbank. One hot afternoon, as the sun blazed in the sky, the river was shrinking. The savanna was getting drier and drier, and Leo was getting sweatier and sweatier. He wanted to jump into the river more than ever, but there was just one problem. Leo was scared. Yes, even the bravest lion in the jungle had a fear. He didn't know how to swim. Leo sat by the river, looking longingly at the water. That's when his friend, Tilly the turtle, slowly waddled up beside him. Tilly was wise and old, with a shell that sparkled in the sunlight. "Why don't you join us in the water, Leo?" Tilly asked with a kind smile. Leo's big brown eyes widened. "I can't, Tilly. What if I sink like a rock?" Tilly chuckled softly. "Oh, Leo, it's all about learning. I can teach you how to float and paddle. Swimming is easy when you know how." Leo thought for a moment, then took a deep breath. "Okay, I'll try," he said, his heart racing. The next morning, all the animals gathered to watch Leo's big attempt. Mimi the monkey swung from the trees, giggling excitedly. Benny the bird chirped with joy, and even Sammy the hippo lounged in the river, ready to help. Leo stepped into the shallow water, and splash! His big paws made the water jump high into the air. He wobbled, he flailed, and oh no, he started to sink. "Help!" Leo yelped, his eyes wide with panic. But Tilly swam right next to him. "Stay calm, Leo. Just float on your back first." Leo tried again. Slowly, he laid back in the water, feeling the river gently carry him. "Hey, I'm not sinking," he exclaimed, a big smile spreading across his face. The animals cheered. "Go, Leo! You can do it!" After a few tries, Leo started paddling with his paws, splashing and moving across the river. He wasn't sinking. He was swimming. With every stroke, Leo's confidence grew. Soon he was gliding through the water, his mane trailing behind him like a cape. "I did it! I can swim!" Leo roared happily. The animals celebrated with him, laughing and splashing in the water. Leo had not only learned how to swim, but also discovered that even the bravest can be afraid sometimes. And that's okay. With a little help from friends and a lot of courage, anything is possible. And from that day on, whenever the savannah got too hot, you could always find Leo the lion paddling through the river, his fears floating away like clouds. And that's how Leo, the king of the jungle, became the king of the water too. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Leo's big adventure, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It takes a lot of time and love to create these fun stories, and your support means the world to us. See you in the next adventure.